Hello everyone, welcome to Wonder Garden. If you're wondering how to keep your orchids healthy and blooming regularly, today I'll share with you a very simple yet highly effective care method, not only for orchids, but also suitable for all the plants in your garden. With just a few familiar and easy to find ingredients from your kitchen, you can easily create a natural organic fertilizer that helps your plants grow sustainably, develop strong roots, and bloom beautifully all year round. And if you're just starting your gardening journey, don't forget to subscribe to Wonder Garden so you won't miss any helpful tips. Now, let's get started. Does your family often eat eggs? Eggs are a familiar ingredient in our daily meals, nutritious, easy to prepare, and found in countless delicious dishes. But often after cooking, we tend to throw away the eggshells without realizing that they are actually a wonderful source of nutrients for plants. Eggshells contain plenty of calcium, magnesium, potassium, and trace minerals essential for healthy root development, vibrant leaves, and long-lasting blooms. So next time you eat eggs, don't rush to toss the shells away. Keep them instead, because they can become a natural fertilizer that helps your garden grow greener and healthier every day. To start preparing today's fertilizer, I'll use 2 eggshells like these. After washing them thoroughly, I'll put all the shells into a blender. Next, add about 500 milliliters of clean water, cover the lid, and blend thoroughly so that the minerals in the eggshells are completely dissolved into the water. This mixture will create a natural calcium-rich fertilizer that helps strengthen the roots, makes the leaves thicker and greener, and supports the formation of healthy flower buds. After blending the mixture thoroughly, I'll use a strainer or a thin cloth to remove any remaining eggshell residue, keeping only the clear liquid. The filtered solution is the eggshell extract, rich in easily absorbed minerals, especially calcium and magnesium, which help plants develop strong roots, thicker and greener leaves, and longer-lasting, more vibrant blooms. Before applying the fertilizer solution to your orchids, you should first rinse the entire plant with clean water. This is a very important step that many people often skip. Rinsing not only helps wash away dust, salt residue, or harmful microorganisms on the roots and growing medium, but also moistens the roots, allowing the plant to better absorb nutrients from the fertilizer solution. When the orchid roots are pre-moistened, they open their absorption tissues and take in nutrients more gently, reducing the risk of fertilizer shock, especially when using natural fertilizers that may have a high concentration. Therefore, always take a few minutes to rinse your orchids with clean water before fertilizing. It's a small habit, but it greatly helps your plants grow steadily, stay lush and glossy, and develop strong, healthy roots. After rinsing with clean water and letting the plant rest for a while, you can start watering your orchids with the eggshell fertilizer solution. Pour the solution into a watering can or spray bottle to easily control the amount and distribute it evenly around the base of the plants. When watering, do it gently and evenly, avoiding pouring directly on the leaves or flower spikes so the roots can absorb the nutrients more effectively. The calcium and minerals in the solution will quickly penetrate the growing medium, strengthening the orchid roots, improving resistance to fungal diseases, and promoting the growth of new shoots and flower buds. If you maintain watering with this solution every 10 to 15 days, you'll soon notice your orchids recovering faster, looking greener, and blooming more beautifully and lastingly. For roses, when applied directly to the root zone, the calcium from the eggshells plays an especially important role. It helps reinforce cell walls, making stems sturdier, leaves thicker and glossier, while also reducing yellowing and premature bud drop. Moreover, this solution helps balance soil pH by neutralizing acidity caused by chemical fertilizers or prolonged watering, creating a more aerated and loose-growing environment. For other plants in your garden, the eggshell solution offers many similar benefits. When used regularly, the natural minerals help strengthen the root system, boost resistance to pests and weather changes. For foliage plants, the solution helps leaves become darker green, shinier, and reduces yellowing or wilting caused by nutrient deficiencies. Method 2. I'll pour the diluted eggshell solution into a mist spray bottle to use for leaf care. When spraying, do it gently and evenly on both sides of the leaves, especially the underside, where most of the stomata are located, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. Spraying this solution not only supplies minerals directly through the leaves, but also helps clean off dust, enhance photosynthesis, and make the leaves look greener, shinier, and healthier. In addition, thanks to the mild antibacterial properties of eggshells, the solution also helps reduce mold growth and keeps insects from settling on the leaf surface. If you maintain this misting routine about once or twice a week, your plants will stay fresh, vibrant, and full of life. It's also one of the little secrets to help flowers bloom evenly, retain their color, and last longer. For roses that are in bloom, you should avoid spraying the solution directly onto the flowers or buds. When the solution sticks to the petals, especially on hot sunny days, it can cause burns or discoloration, making the flowers wilt faster. Instead, spray evenly around the stems, the undersides of the leaves, and the base near new shoots. These are the areas where the plant can best absorb nutrients without affecting the beauty of the flowers. If you do this in the early morning or late afternoon, when sunlight isn't too harsh, the solution will be absorbed slowly, helping the plant retain moisture, strengthen resistance, and prolong its natural blooming period. Method 3. I'll use the remaining eggshell water to wipe the leaves of the orchids in my garden. When cleaning the leaves, use a soft cotton pad or a damp cloth. Gently soak it in the solution, and wipe evenly across the surface of each leaf. This not only removes accumulated dust and bacteria, but also allows the leaves to directly absorb natural minerals from the eggshells, such as calcium and magnesium, essential nutrients that help leaves become thicker, glossier, and stronger. Regularly wiping the leaves with the eggshell solution also enhances photosynthesis, reduces fungal diseases, and gives your plants a fresh, vibrant, and healthy appearance. It's a gentle yet highly effective care method, especially suitable for orchids grown indoors or in areas with little rainfall, helping them stay healthy and radiant all year round. For kalanchoe plants, when cleaning the leaves with the eggshell solution, you should do it very gently to avoid breaking or damaging the leaf surface. Kalanchoe leaves are often succulent and quite fragile. Wiping too hard can cause scratches or bruises, making the plant more prone to fungal infections and loss of its natural protective coating. If you do this regularly every 7 to 10 days, you'll notice your kalanchoe leaves becoming shinier, healthier, and the plant blooming more consistently throughout its flowering season. Results. After some time of being cared for with the eggshell solution, you can easily notice a remarkable change in the orchids in your garden. The plants become much stronger and more resilient, with deeper green, thicker, and shinier leaves. The root system grows vigorously, and plump white new roots continuously appear around the base, a clear sign that the plant is absorbing nutrients effectively. Not only that, new shoots and flower buds also begin to form, an indication that the plant is in a stable growth phase and ready to enter its blooming season. For roses, after being cared for with the eggshell solution, you'll notice a significant increase in the number of flower buds. Thanks to the natural calcium and minerals in the solution, the plant absorbs nutrients more efficiently, making the stems and branches stronger and capable of supporting large flower clusters with thick, vibrant petals. In addition, the eggshell solution helps prolong the lifespan of the blooms, making them last longer and their fragrance richer than usual. What do you think about this method of caring for flowers with eggshells? The tiny buds are slowly opening, and each petal blooms brilliantly as if showing off its beauty in the garden. This natural method truly helps plants grow stronger and produce more flowers. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Wonder Garden, Test uns, and leave your thoughts in the comments below so we can share more flower growing tips together.